What's going on, gang? It's Richie Blue here at Richie's Fragrance Collection, and guess what I have for you? I have the top notch, the standard, the gold standard, Bleu de Chanel Parfum. This is one I've been waiting for the longest. Now I have it in my collection. Yes, and I have it because my brother gave it to me as a birthday present. Because this one, I've heard so many things about it, and I was just like, I got to get my nose on it. So I've got my nose on it, and I was like, yes, I need this. I need this here. It's definitely worth all the hype. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and open this boy up. Let's see what we got going on in here. So another reason why I wanted this one, because not only is it the gold standard, but it is it's the fragrance that supposedly set off the blue fragrances of all blue fragrances. Here, versatile. You can use this whenever you want to go out there in them streets. Have the baddies looking at you a certain way, but this is the one. So let's see it here. Let's see. Oof. Set this off to the side here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this bottle. The bottle is just clean. It's regal. It's and it's also just simple. You know, got the gold trim on there that, you know, it is the gold standard. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and get a whiff of this bad boy. There we go. Wow, yes. Yes, this takes me somewhere right here. Like, it is definitely worth the hype. Now, what I will be intrigued about is to see how long it lasts, how it really picks off on my particular skin, how it projects, how other people take it in. I'm looking forward to seeing that interaction. See if I can get compliments. Because I have a collection, and I have about a few that are like guaranteed, like compliments, everything. Like, ooh, you smell good. And for a lot of us, yes, that's why we wear perfumes outside of just trying to smell good, period. But this is the one. I'm glad that they have it in my collection. I just got a little 50 ml. They say 80% of men don't even wear cologne. I know when I was younger, when I first heard the word cologne, I'm thinking that is the fragrance for men. And perfume is for women. And the fragrance is another word for women's cologne. So, I'm gonna tell you a quick story. I first got in colognes, started wearing colognes recently, very, very recently, like a couple years ago. And that's one of the colognes that I started getting was some YSL. But I'll do a video on that a little later and give you the full story. But that cologne, that YSL, was what allowed me to start my journey. So when I would hear perfume, I was like, yeah, that's for women. You know, I don't need that. I need some cologne. Yeah. And then as I started doing some research, some channel surfing on YouTube, started to realize that these are just names. And, you know, perfume just means a stronger version of the particular cologne that you're particularly wearing. And I came across Bleu Chanel. Everybody was always like, this is the classic. This is, if you're going to have a collection, you want to be versatile, and you just want, all you need is one, this is the one, Bleu de Chanel. So then you got the EDT, you got the EDP, you got the perfume, and I smelled both of them, or three of them rather, and the one that stuck out to me the most is the EDP. I mean the perfume. So I was like, I got to have this one. My brother, blessed me with this lovely bottle, and I'm just so appreciative to have this. And this is the crown of my collection at the moment. I have about 12 fragrances all together, and I'm gonna give y'all a breakdown every last one of them I have, why I brought them, how I got them, and what it means to me. But this one right here, just let you know again that this is my prized possession right here. Oof, I love the way this smells. I can't wait. I can't wait to wear it to work tomorrow. Oh my, this is, whew. Yeah, so guys, you just want one standard perfume. You don't want to get a collection like your boy Richie got. This is all you need. This is all you need right here. Every day of the week, every occasion, no matter the weather, no matter what you're going, what you're wearing, get you one of these. Now, these ain't cheap though. And you gotta be careful where you buy them. Only buy them at your either Bleu de Chanel themselves or a reputable retail store, and get you a legit bottle, because they sell a lot of, I've heard a lot of stories about people buying the wrong ones, not even clones, but a straight off, note, like straight up garbage. Do I want to say garbage? I probably want to take that out. But either way, if you want the legit stuff for Bleu de Chanel, because they go after people, they only allow certain stores to buy their stuff, to sell their items. So eBay and all places like that, I'm gonna go to your reputable stores to get this boy here. So I just realized I'm just on there talking shit. I ain't got no script. I'm straight freestyling. This is legit my first video that I'm doing myself, and I was trying to break down. That's why I gotta have a script. I had a teleprompter there, keep you on track, but I ain't got that just yet. But I will. But I want to get back to making sure that my homies, my subscribers, my peoples understand thoroughly that just because it says perfume does not mean it's for women. Perfume just says this is your strongest oil in the cologne, about 20%, little 20% or more of that oil inside your cologne, so it makes it a spray. Your EDT or cologne is your lowest level, about 5 to 10% of the oil inside of the fragrance. And they all these, and then the EDP is in the middle somewhere. Those are your 3 basic levels, and they all branch off from those 3 basic levels. And so they all react differently. They are also with different purpose. So once you get your nose on a particular brand or a particular fragrance, you want to figure out, all right, let me just try the EDP. Which one am I smelling now? Which one am I loving now? And then go to the others and check them out as well. Get your nose on it, and then you're like, all right, out of all of them, this is the one I like the most. And it doesn't have to be the EDT, because a lot of fragrances, some people like the EDT versus the EDP, the perfume versus all 3 of them are the EDP versus the other 2. So, you have to make that decision on your own. But just understand, just because it says perfume doesn't mean it's just for women, and just because it says cologne doesn't mean just for men. Even though they usually only give that name cologne to fragrances for men, and the perfume is only gets attached. Not only, but when it's also like women. You're not gonna have cologne for women. They're not gonna say women's women cologne. They're just gonna say women's blah 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 EDT. So I hope that was a clear understanding. I hope that helps you to make better choices out there when you go out there. And guys, please get you some smell good. They talk about them panty droppers. Get you one. So that way that will level up your game. So that way once you go out there in the streets, you're rolling on all cylinders. And you better be like, yeah, I know I smell good. That's right, yeah. That's right. Yeah, come check me out. All right, so then after that point, you can let your mouthpiece do the rest. Pause. Talk to you later. Just to give you a little reference, I'm not the guy that's gonna give you a breakdown of all the nudes and different layers and the dry down. I'm just a guy that just loves wearing cologne, and I want to share my collection with you guys. And this is an unboxing of Bleu Chanel, the standard, the gold standard, a straight classic. I'm glad they have it in my collection. I'll be coming back to you later on with some channel details and give you a whole breakdown of my entire collection and go through the different ones that I have, why I bought those particular ones, and the interactions that I get with them. So, this is Richie Bleu, and this is the beginning of Richie's fragrance collection. So I hope y'all like, I hope y'all comment, I hope y'all subscribe, and let's go on this journey. I don't have what's the word I'm looking for? I don't have a sign off phrase just yet. Wow, this is lovely. But I will. Wow, lovely. All right. Till next time. What's going on, gang? What's going on, gang? It's Richie Bleu here at Richie's Fragrance Reviews. No, that's not how it goes. Alright.
Yo, you need a script, man. Go.
Right, I do need a script. Well, I'm going off the dough. I got time to write a script right there.